A functioning windshield wiper system is crucial for safe driving, especially during rain or snow. Diagnosing a non-functioning windshield wiper motor involves systematically checking related components to identify where the problem lies. Here's a step-by-step guide to diagnosing the problem. The first step in diagnosing a non-functioning windshield wiper motor is to inspect the fuse that controls the wiper system. Begin by locating the vehicle's fuse box, which is typically found either under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. Once you have found the fuse box, carefully remove the fuse and examine it. If the metal strip inside is broken or burned, the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. After replacing it with a fuse of the same amperage, test the wipers again. To determine whether the wiper motor is receiving the necessary electrical signals, you will need to test for power and ground at the motor itself. Disconnect the motor's electrical connector to expose the terminals. Using a multimeter or a test light, check for 12 volts of power at the appropriate terminal while the ignition is on and the wiper switch is activated. Also, verify that there is a solid ground connection by testing the ground wire or terminal. If you suspect the wiper motor is faulty, a direct bench test can confirm it. First, remove the wiper motor from the vehicle or access its terminals while it's still mounted. Then, using jumper wires, connect the positive terminal of the battery to the motor's power terminal. Next, connect the motor's ground terminal or casing to the negative terminal of the battery. Be cautious to avoid short circuits or sparks. If the motor does not spin or make any noise during this test, it confirms that the motor is defective and needs to be replaced. In some cases, the problem with non-functioning wipers may not be electrical, but mechanical. The wiper motor drives a set of linkages that move the wiper arms across the windshield, and these are often concealed beneath plastic covers. Carefully remove these plastic covers to access the wiper linkage and motor assembly. Check for any signs of damage, such as broken clips, cracked covers, or loose components. It's also important to ensure that the linkage is properly connected and not seized due to rust or debris. A jammed or disconnected linkage can prevent the wipers from moving, even if the motor is functioning correctly. By following these diagnostic steps, you can systematically determine whether the problem with your windshield wipers lies in the electrical system, the motor itself, or the mechanical linkage. You can then take the appropriate steps to restore your wiper system to full functionality, ensuring safe and reliable visibility in all weather conditions.